Hi, scholars. We're going to get ready to do a little bit of math, so let's share our screen. And let's go ahead and look at what we're going to do today. And we are going to be building with a solid figure. So yesterday we talked about solid figures. And we know that we can roll and stack, right? Roll, stack, and slide. So we have a sphere, a cylinder, a cone, a cube, and a rectangular prism. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to look. So if we have a cylinder and we want to go ahead and put something on top that is round, like a big beach ball, would it balance? No. So, but if we went ahead and put another can on top, could we stack it? Yes. So no on the ball, but yes on the cans. Okay. If we have a cube and we want to put it on top of another cube, can we stack it? Yep. Absolutely. Okay. If we have a cube and we want to stack it on a cylinder, no. Okay. If we have a cone and this flat surface, we want to look at that flat surface, can we stack it on another cone? No. But could we stack it on a cylinder, that flat surface? Yes. It's a little bit hard to say, but that's okay. All right, let's go ahead and see what you are supposed to do today. So let's look at our paper. And today we're looking at that flat surface. So we want to look at this flat surface that's up here, and we want to know what shape can go on top. Well, a sphere can't go on top, right? So it says, what can be stacked on the cube? So not the sphere, but can we put another cube on top? Yes. And can we take the flat part of our cone and stack it on top? Yes. Okay, now we're looking at this flat surface of the cone. Can we stack it on top of another cone? No, that won't work, right? Can we stack it on top? Yes, that's nice and flat, right? Can we stack it on top of here? Yep, nice and flat. Now let's look at our cylinder. And for our cylinder, we're looking at that flat part. Can we stack that on top of a cube? Do you see a flat part? Yep, we can put it right on that flat part. Could we put it on a sphere? There's no flat part, right? But we could stack it on another cylinder. Okay, let's look at our cube. See how they're pointing to the bottom? It wants to know the bottom, and the bottom is flat like the top. Okay, what can it go on a cylinder? The cylinder has that flat part, right? So if this is on the bottom, on which the cube can be stacked. Oh, can it go on top of? So wait a second. Do you think it can go on top of the cone where it would come up here? No. And do you think it could go on top of the sphere? No. Okay, so look at those arrows. Those arrows are showing you where that flat surface would go on top. Let's flip it over. Okay, now we have two shapes and it says building. So we're gonna look at the shapes. If I have a square and I have a cone, can they stack? Yep. Okay, so let's look and see if I have, oh, but wait a second. Are they using a cone? There's no cone there, so it can't be this one. Okay, let's look, cube, cube, cylinder, cylinder. So can those two shapes stack? Yes. Now let's look over here. Cylinder, cylinder. Oh, they tried to trick us. Those shapes aren't even in there. Okay, so we're going to look for that cylinder. Cylinder, cylinder, cylinder. Now we're going to look for the shape cone. Nope, I don't see a cone here. Don't see a cone here. Oh, those are my two shapes. Let's look at the next one. We're looking for cones. Cone, cone, no cone. Okay, cube. Oh, there's a cube. And that's a cylinder. So it needs to be this one. Do you see that? They're trying to trick you guys. Look at the last one, cylinder. So let's look, they all have cylinders. And now it looks like it's actually another cylinder. So it can't be this one. It can't be this one. They tried tricking us. So today you did a great job building with those solid figures. Go ahead and practice if you have those solid shapes, trying to build them at home.